Hello and welcome again to another Head Start video explaining idioms as part of our free English promise. Today's idiom is the noun phrase a crash course. A crash course is something that is taught quickly. A lot of know-how, information or knowledge is communicated or demonstrated in a short period of time. Speed may be a deliberate choice, as in an intensive language course. However, it may also be enforced by circumstances. This implies that the learning and teaching was hurried, unprepared, or even inadequate. Grammar-wise, a crash course is often followed by the preposition in, plus the name of the skill or ability being taught. For example, a crash course in Microsoft Excel, a crash course in basic Spanish, or a crash course in how to operate a jet ski, as is common in many beach resorts around the world. Here's an example in context. The training was totally inadequate. We were given a crash course in how to use customer service's complaint system, then put on the phones with angry customers. Try out a crash course with your colleagues, and as always, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful.